Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to day 24 of Baby Got Scraps. My personal prompt today is epoxy pieces. I have a ton of epoxy hearts and epoxy characters and just all kinds of fun things that we'll be bringing in. We're going to be scrapping, this picture's of Megos. And I really just realized I looked at the picture and this was fall. So I cannot use this kit. Robbie gave her a bath for Christmas and I was going to do a Christmas bath layout. But alas, that is not what we're doing because that is the fall because the basement is not done yet. So let's pull out a different scrap room kit. Is that one gonna work? What do you guys think about that one? No, let's go Bella Boulevard. Because it's very, I love Bella Boulevard, but they're very, like, you know, cartoony and character-y and little kitty. I don't have little kids, but I have little dogs. All right, so switching it up, but that's okay. So we got some enamel triangles and some bits and bobs, and then I can make a title and some other things. I've got one full sheet of cream cardstock. What is that called? That is natural basil. And I have 3 here, so I've got a blue cloud, some butterflies, that messes with my eyeballs, red, green, or that. I think we're going to go red all the way. All right. So you know, Baby Got Scraps. Gotta use scraps. So my product focus, as you know, has been this, what used to be very large and now is not. Oh, I totally put that on wrong. So we're gonna pull in some scraps. I have no idea what kind of layout I'm doing. So let's pull in some of these and see what we can get on there. Is there going to be any red? No, I think it's Melon Mambo. Nope, Rose Red. I can pull in some of the light pink because she's a girl. I don't think I've actually tapped into this. Maybe I have. I don't want to just use all the light pink though, because I know, but wait, where is that one that I know I have not been able, I think, to grab? Well, no, I shouldn't say that because I really don't know, but we've got this piece that we can use either side of. We can get a nice, I think we'll go with that side and then that one, and then we can go with the exos, and I think we'll go with that one, and then we can go with that one. Oh man, that is unfortunate. That is all we have left, but you know what we're going to do? We're going to pull that out, and we're going to toss this. And I thought, wasn't there another small one in there? No. We're just going to tuck that right there. That's right. That's what we're going to do. I'm just going to get that stuck in there, so there. Another one done. I mean, technically there's still 3 more pieces, but I'm okay with that. All right. So I need to trim the branding strip off. I need to kind of figure out what we're going to do with all of these. I'll probably just do some really fun, funky mats. And I'm probably going to put Meggy right about here. And what was the one that had the weird ampersand on it? That one. We can run. Which way do the hearts go? Oh, we're gonna have to, you guys, I might actually be able to do something with that. We'll see. Because I'm gonna want to run it. And if I can piece them together just right. Wait a minute. I don't know, we'll have to, I don't know, but if I can get them somehow, some way, and make a border across there. Otherwise, we might have to go back into that one, which is right here as well. Let's see. So yeah, I'm only going to be able to use one of those. That's unfortunate. But where's that? See, did I? That is so unfortunate because the ones I want to use. We can run that across. Okay. I'll put that over here. All right. So let me figure some things out because I went kind of all pink and not a lot of orange and stuff that's over here. So we're going to have to figure something out. So give me a minute and I'll be right back. All right, so we have done a little work here. I went through my little bin stashes and I found the Close to My Heart Picture My Life cards from Crisp Air, and I did a ton of fussy cutting. So I took the border strip, I fussy cut out these two pieces, I fussy cut out this, fussy cut out all those pumpkins, I fussy cut out all these little leaves to bring them in down here and kind of, you know, folded up some of the edges where I could. Just kind of giving them more of a real feel. Just bending them in half is all I'm doing. I just push real hard. Be honest with you. It's not like a technique, but it does give it a little bit more of dimension sitting on there. So none of this is stuck down. I'm going to save this. I did have this as well, but I was trying to incorporate more of the orange. So I did pull in a lot of these other little cards as well. And we're going to get this one on here. I'm just going to pop that there. Then I'm going to pop the next one up on some foam. Just to have it, you know, pop up. That's what we're going for. All right. Just getting some scrap of time in before football starts because the Saints are playing today and they have to win to win. And then, so there is a seam right here, but it is so hard to see, you guys. So we're just going to pop this right in the middle. And then I did use all of those other pieces to mat the photo a lot. We're going to stick Magos right there, and then I do want to come in, I want to get this little flower bit tucked under. Well, let's go ahead and do this real quick. Let's kind of twist up as many of these as we can. And then we're just gonna right there. Should it be lower? I think it should be lower actually. Okay. So we've got that one on there. I definitely want to get that on there. And get that one on there. So we're going to do that. I'm going to pop this up on some foam. And I do have some other pieces over here that I'm going to fussy cut out this. I'm even going to fussy cut out the blue and pop that somewhere else on the layout. So we got a little bit of blue there, probably, and blue up there. Probably put a bigger bit of blue here or here just to bring it together. And then I do have all of these pieces, and then I got to get my epoxy on there. So that I'm going to do. I'm going to finish fussy cutting and get these pieces stuck down, and I'll be right back. All right, so I've got some little epoxy flowers, some little epoxy butterflies, half pearls and 2 different oranges, and some epoxy hearts to get put on here. I've got like happy and just a couple other little banner pieces just kind of popped around. And let's just trim that off. Okay. This one's like up on some super foam, and just this is up on super foam, just kind of getting them popped wherever I can to add a little bit more dimension. I don't have a title unless we go with pumpkin spice. Probably not. Let's do a title. So BATH, but we can't do bath time. We can't just do bath though. We're just gonna do bath. All right, so we'll pop that right here. I only have one T, so I couldn't do bath time. Which I think is totally fine. So I'm sure I've got another layout that's called bath time somewhere. And I don't always put a title on my page. That does bother some of you, and I apologize. Oh, goodness. I'll be right back. So I did just go ahead and put mags on there too, because it's about using things up, right? So now, let's see. We're going to come in with some florals and some butterflies. So we're going to tuck some florals in right there. Come right there. Go right there. And right there. Put one there, there. And we'll get one on top. Oh, all right. So these are just itty bitty babies. Apologize for the dog. Amazon delivery. Do you got dogs? You know. If you know, you know. You know? So we're going to tuck these little guys in. I don't think I'm going to have enough of just the orange, which is fine because I can pull in some other colors. There's white on here, so let's pull in the white too. And what else? So what's been going on with you guys? How have you been? Hope the new year is treating you fabulously. And let's bring in this brown. because I just think it'd be really fun. And I do want to use up as much of my products as possible this year. It's not like I'm not on like a weird spending freeze or anything, you guys, because that never works for me. Like, seriously, it just doesn't. Then I feel like people are saying I can't buy things, and I'm like, well, I have to buy things. All right, let's put a butterfly here. Let's put one on that one. And let's put it there. And then we need another one. Let's go right there. Okay. So where did I put these? Boop. Put the orange one there, and then we have like brown ones, which is going to be fine. So they're just kind of the little flutterbys. We're just kind of hanging out. Do I have another? Yes. But I want to do an orange one. I don't want to do all, like one orange and all brown. All right. Now we've got to get these hearts on here. I mean, I guess we don't have to, but we're going to. And we're going to pop a heart in. Put one there. We'll tuck one here. And we'll get one up there. So we're only going to do 3 of the hearts. So we're going to yellow one there. This is actually probably not going to fit. May have misjudged the size of these things. 100% misjudged. Okay. And then last but not least, I am going to pop these 2 colors of half pearls in the different clusters. Just beep those up. And you will see that in the still shot to follow. So don't forget to check everyone else out that is playing along with Baby Got Scraps. And I'll see you tomorrow with another video. Bye.